Hello YouTube friends. Today I'm going to inform you of how my cell phone is free to me, my wife, the kids, my mother. These are all active phones. Services through Kroger iWireless. And basically the service is free because I shop and the reward points or gas points piggyback over as phone points, and that makes the phone service free for us. Let me show you a receipt, and we'll show you some tips and tricks on how to accomplish this. This is today's receipt. Things we buy normally. The gift card from Amazon gives you double points for gift cards. Not all gift cards apply, but most do. The ones that don't apply are usually like the Visas or a Kroger's card itself. You look here at the bottom, just for this shopping trip, we got 641 points. That equals $6.41 off my cell phone bill. That also showing a full month so far. We're halfway through. I have almost 2,000 points, which is $20 off my phone, and $1 off of gas for each 1,000 points of. So there are multiple ways. They run promotions in the store that will make 4 times the dollar amount spent on a gift card, which would say $250 spent on a gift card with 4 times points would give you 1,000, which would be $10 off, versus just the 641 I got today. Also, this is a past receipt of the month. Just things we buy. I mean, it's not even a full Friday shopping list. It's just odds and ends and things we needed. Spent around $46, but with coupons. And that's a nice thing. They don't deduct you points from coupons. So I got 66 cents off of my phone. Another way is to fill out this survey. You can fill out one a week. It's 50 points, so 50 times 4 is 200 points, and that gives you $2 off a month. So if I doubled what I do in a month, and this has kind of been a slow month, obviously, because you're not buying presents and we're not buying other things, but that's $42 right off the top of my bill. Without, all I gotta do is just double the activity I've done continue to do the activity I've done for the month. So you could buy gas cards, travel cards is where you make your biggest bang for your buck. If you're planning a trip, you can use a Southwest gift card or a cruise, maybe through Carnival as a gift card. Stay at a B&B. So lots of options. Let me go to the website here, and I will show you. This is Kroger iWireless website. As you can see down here, it says get free wireless. By doing this, your fuel points piggyback over as dollars for every 100 points from any of the Kroger family stores. I will show you that in just a moment. A lot of the stores have points, some do not. I'll log in, show you my child's account. This account's been active for a little over a year and a half, and it is on an iPhone. Mine is on an Android. My wife's is on an iPhone, and my mother's is on a flip phone. As you can see here, she has and my child has $197 balance. We use a $10 plan most of the time on here to keep the account active about every 2 months. You notice it says an expiration date. It only expires if the account becomes inactive after 3 months. So if you shop the store or don't use the points, then it will become inactive and cancel itself out. My father-in-law thought he might be interested, so we gave him the phone temporarily. That's why you see he bought a $50 plan. I'll show you the account here. Now, under Earn Rewards, you can register 2 accounts. Your mother and your brother or your grandmother or your in-laws or an aunt, uncle. 2 accounts. You want to use, obviously, 2 big shoppers. For the plans, they have them $10 to $75. I typically use a $50 account only because when it slows down after high speed, it goes to 3G. Sometimes the 3G is just too slow in a bad area. So this is why I choose the 2 gigs. I very seldom go over it. But like I say, it's just because the 500 megabytes is not that much. But I'll have unlimited talk, text, and data on 35 and up. Again, you can easily set this plan up by yourself. They do have a 1-800 number you can call and get actual customer support. So I will show you the Kroger stores. This is the Kroger family company list here. Many of these stores have fuel points, just like the Kroger's I shop at. I know Fred Meyer's for sure has it, and Turkey Hill here has it. One that absolutely doesn't, that I've been in, is Food for Less. So call your local store, verify that they have the fuel points, and you can start working your way towards a free cell phone. Please click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Thanks, YouTube friends.